When I was introduced to ExoShield, I thought this is an amazing product. I never even once thought about ever putting a screen protector on a windshield. I feel like that was the missing puzzle for the total protection of a vehicle. Hey, my name is Andre. I am the owner of Dre's Auto Detailing located in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, and I've been a partner with ExoShield for 3 years now. I started Dre's Detailing in about 2015. Started off with doing mobile car care. Eventually, I improved my services into ceramic coatings, was introduced into ExoShield, which was my first film experience, and now we offer everything from window tinting, paint protection film, Mach 12 from ExoShield, and windshield protection film all in one roof. The key aspects that I look for in a company that I purchase products from is customer support, quality products, a product that has a warranty that I can basically back up, and a product that outstands the warranty. So far, ExoShield has provided all of that and above. So quality products to me means me putting the product on my vehicle. If it looks good on my vehicle and it performs good on my vehicle, then I can trust that the process and the product can work on my customer's vehicle. With ExoShield, I've been with ExoShield for 3 years. I've been able to see the product not only improve, but actually become an easier product to install as well, which means we can charge accordingly to the margins with our customers, give our customer a good, satisfactory product with an attractive price. One thing that stood out to me about ExoShield is the hands-on support that these guys have provided for me. The technical support, sales support, and how to put this product out on the street. I would constantly call them, text them, hey guys, how do I install this? I'm running into this issue. Team support has always been there. And that's one key feature that I look for a product and a company that I purchase from. So I want to thank the ExoShield team for that as well. When it came to ExoShield training, I learned a lot. It was a full weekend of full-on hands-on experiences where I had nothing but film and a windshield in front of me at all times. All the support was there. All the guys that knew how to install this film was there, especially Luke. Luke was there with me hands on hands all the time. I was able to adapt to Luke's techniques. I was able to also pick up on some of Luke's conversations that he was having in the training, which really helped me as well adapt to also selling this product to the customers after the training. At the time when Mach 12 came out, I was super excited because ExoShield had already surpassed my expectations. I thought, man, this film must be kick-ass. When I purchased my first roll of ExoShield Mach 12, I was still new with PPF, so I was still working with different slip ratios, different water, different techniques, different stretching, different adhesives. There was so many things thrown at me. The one thing I noticed about ExoShield Mach 12 is that the film is super glossy, super slick, and very easy to handle for the thickness that it is. However, the portion that was lacking on my training expertise was the adhesive. The adhesive for me was kind of low tack. I wasn't used to an adhesive with such low tack. So with that being said, I had to learn a lot of ways to work with that film. The guys at ExoShield were able to help me out with that. They were able to help me with different slip ratios. It was a few months. We finally got it all sorted out. We now know the method to install this film super effortlessly. If I were to give anybody advice for someone that's been in my position a couple years ago, taking on ExoShield has been one of the best things I have ever decided in my business. ExoShield has been super supportive, has always been there, high quality products. And the only thing I can tell you lastly is just be confident in yourself. The skills that are required to install this film will come over time. You just have to be dedicated to yourself, and this product will work and it will make you money.